So we're gonna, all right. So I'm going to say these words in the first one, and you're gonna tell me whether you think it's a noun or a verb, okay? And you can type it in the chat if you want to, okay? So, first one, record.
Verb.
Is that a verb or a noun?
Record. Verb.
That's
Verb.
a verb. Record.
Noun.
Noun. Present. Present.
Verb.
No. No.
Now.
Present is a verb.
Verb.
Present is a noun.
Noun.
Present is a verb because the
Verb.
second one is stressed. Okay. Suspect.
Verb.
That's a verb. Suspect is a noun. Conflict.
Verb. Conflict. Verb.
Conflict is a noun.
Noun.
Conflict is a verb. Conflict is a noun. Insult. Insult.
Verb.
Verb.
That's a noun. Insult. Okay. Present.
Noun.
That's a noun. Suspect.
Noun.
That's a noun. Sorry, suspect. That's a verb. Suspect is a noun. Okay. Suspect is a noun. All right. Insult. Insult.
Verb.
It's a verb.
Verb.
It's a verb. The other one is insult. Conflict.
Verb.
Verb.
Conflict is a verb.